So this is Paul here from EMD Automotive in Caringbah. We got a Volkswagen Polo. Rear shock absorber was leaking oil. There's nothing inside. So this is the brand new one. So we're going to show you the difference between a brand new one and an old one. This is the old one there. We took the bump stops off and the actual mount and put it onto the actual brand new one, which is a build stain. Alright, so we're going to turn it upside down. We're going to push it all the way down. Let go. Alright, see how it comes back? That's normal. When you compress it, it should come back straight away. Now we can watch the that's the old one. Compressing it. Nothing. Not even moving. Very slow. That's too slow. I mean, there's not much oil back in here, or the valve in there is damaged. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe. We're doing both rear shock absorber due to noisy.